Welcome to 5641 Camilla Court, located in the beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. This charming home sits in a peaceful community just minutes from the beach, shopping, dining, and all Grand Strand has to offer. As soon as you walked in, you're greeted with an open and airy layout filled with natural light. The spacious living room is perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests with seamless flow into the dining area and kitchen. This kitchen features modern appliances, plenty of cabinet space, and a convenient island in the middle, ideal for busy mornings or casual meals with the family and friends. Whether you love to cook or just want a beautiful space together, this kitchen delivers. Just off the main area, you will find a bathroom, a full bathroom, and also a guest bedroom with plenty of closet space. This home has a lot of closets throughout the house and a very big two-car garage. More closets here and here. A lot of closets. Let's head upstairs. As we go upstairs, you will find the additional 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, including the master bedroom and bathroom. From up here, you can see all the natural light that comes into the dining room from those windows. You can see the spacious loft with carpet throughout the second floor. And we're gonna go ahead and go to the master bedroom, which is very spacious and has a tray ceiling. Let's head over to the master bathroom with a garden top and 2 sinks, one on each side, separated by the door. There is a very spacious shower over here. And the toilet closet. You have a linen closet in a very spacious master closet. From here, we have a laundry connection, which is very convenient. And we can head over to another closet, head over to the other bedroom, which has a closet as well. Spacious closet. And it has a door directly to the bathroom, but the bathroom also has another door. Shower and tub combo. And from here, you can also access the bathroom. You can see the other 2 bedrooms that are connected by a bathroom, and they both have a closet space. Let's check this out. This closet has a lot of space over here. Then we're gonna go ahead and head over to the double sink bathroom, a privacy door, and a shower and tub combo with a toilet. This other bedroom is a little bit more spacious, and it has a walk-in closet. Very spacious, and as you can see also, the loft is gonna have a lot of space. This is my favorite part of the home, which is a screen porch with a lake view. Very peaceful, very spacious, and you have an area outside where you can put your grill. So this ends the tour. If you have any questions, please feel free to text me or call me. I will be happy to do a private showing for you. My name is Lenore Miranda, and I'm with Century 21 Brothers. I am happy to answer any questions.